Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. Yes, I'm sharing with you guys the coupon preview for this coming Sunday, July 28th, 2019. Now we are supposed to get about 9 inserts. That would be awesome. We are supposed to get 4 inserts, 2 smart sources, 1 Retail Me Not, and a PNG. So I'm here to share with you guys what we will be getting. Right now I just Google, coupon inserts, and the website forthemamas.com popped up. So I am on their site sharing with you guys what inserts we will be getting this Sunday. So here we are going to be bringing you guys the smart source. First, now it looks like both smart sources are kind of combined in this one. So between the 2 smart sources, this is what we should be getting. So we're getting $8 off of 1 Allegra, $2 off Beneful Wet, $1 off of 2 friction pens. Now those don't expire till September 30th. Definitely save those coupons because those are coupons that you guys can use for clearance, back to school stuff. That's what I do. We got $1 off Act, Airborne, $4 off Allegra, $2 off Bear. Here we got Blink, Blink, Blink. So there is a 3, a 3, and a 5. We're getting 75 cents off Butterfinger minis and then 50 cents off of 2. Love those coupons. Caspin's I don't even know what that is. Carnation Breakfast, Children's. Here we're getting hair dye, 6 off of 2, 2 off of 1, and 1 off, Clorox Bleach, we're getting $1 off of 2, $1.50 off of 2. I see CoverGirl all the time. It's usually always $2. Here is a Crayola Take Note highlighter, markers, or pen that's $2 or more. That's cool. I don't know what that really is, but maybe hopefully we can get some good deals with that. Depends. Dole Fruit, Ducalax, we're getting some $2 off coupons, $1.25 off of Energizer batteries. Here we got Fancy Feast, $1 off of 6 or $2 off of 1. G2 pens, 75 cents for a 4 count. Again, those don't expire till the end of September, so definitely save those up. General Mills cereal, we have $1 off of 2 for select Cheerios. I don't like those coupons. $1 off of, no. Yeah, it's $1 off of 2. What am I thinking? Those are good coupons, you guys. Sorry. Gold Bond, $1. We got Kaopectic, 75 cents off of Kleenex. Tissues, you're going to start seeing some coupons for snacks for school. So there's $1 off of 2 The Lance. Here we got 75 cents off of 2 Mott's applesauce. We got a lot of Purina coupons. We're getting Scott's towels, another applesauce Skinny Pop, Snyder's pretzels, $1 off of 2. Spray and wash, we're getting 4 off of 2 Kotex coupons. Those are awesome. We just got $2 off ones. Now we got $4 off ones. So those are some great deals with that. Retail Me Not, here's that. We got Advil, Band-Aids, CeraVe, Children's, Benadryl, Tylenol, Zyrtec. I think this is supposed to say $1 off of 2 Extra Orbit gum. That doesn't expire till October, so that's a pretty good deal. Keebler crackers, $1 off 3 Kellogg's cereal, $1 off 2 fruit snacks, $1 off 3 Kellogg's Pop-Tarts. Definitely do these deals, the Kellogg's stuff, you guys. I recommend doing that free book thing. Nature's Truth, Nature's Pure Water. We got 50 cents off of 2 Orbit for that. We got Suave, a lot of Suave deals. We got $1, 50 cents, $1, 75 cents off of lotion, and $1 off men's. Here we got a 2 off of 2 Suave Professionals, and then $1 off Suave Styler, and then Polygrip. And then here's what's going to be in the PNG. So we're getting 3 off of 1 Always Discreet, $1 off 1. So not the greatest deal for feminine products for $1, but whatever. A-Wiffer, I don't know what A-Wiffer is. But Bounty, Cascade, Charmin, $2 off. The Crest Gum Toothpaste, otherwise we're getting $1 off and $2 off coupons. 50 cents off Dawn Ultra or 25 cents off of Dawn. We're getting another buy one, get one free coupon for Febreze. Gillette, $1. Gillette 3 off of 2 Head and Shoulders or $1 off of 1. This is a great coupon, $1.50 off Love's diapers. Now, if you guys are not brand loyal, you guys can get some really good cheap diapers at Walmart is where I found a good place to have Love's diapers. So definitely check out that deal if you guys are interested. A lot of Olay, Old Spice. We got some Oral-B. Here's some Pampers. We got 3 off of 2, 3 off of 2, and then 50 cents off of 2. The wipes. Pantene's always 5 off of 3. Another Pantene, buy one, get one free. Waterless? Pantene waterless? Whatever that is. Puffs tissues, 25 cents. You got Secret. $2 off of Swiffer. Then we got $1 off Tampax and stuff. And then Venus, Vicks, and ZzzQuil. So those are what's going to be out this Sunday. Some of you guys might get some of these inserts and some of you guys don't. Just like I said in the past, if you guys know what you're getting, that's awesome. I know I won't get about half of those, but I still like, I'm still excited that I do get, some coupons. So there is that. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys all later. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.